Hello and welcome students. So today we are going to have another lesson from our main course book, and the title of this lesson is From the Diary of Anne Frank. So in this lesson, the writer wants to tell us so many things. First of all, he wants to tell us about the things which were going on in the country. Actually, this lesson or this diary, actually it's a diary written by Anne Frank, and we can call it is just only a part of diary. It is not complete diary. It is just only one part of diary. So we can call it an extract. So as extract means from the prose we do have, from the poetry also we do have. In the same way, it is an extract from the diary of Anne Frank. So therefore the title is given so. Now next, if I go further, I would like to say that in this lesson the writer first of all wants to give an introduction, that what time it was written and what was the situation at that time. So here the writer is making us clear that when the diary was written at that time, Anne Frank was just only 13-14 years old, because when she was just 15 years old, that time she passed away. And how did she pass away? It is not simple or common death, rather it was a murder or kill. So it is all said by the writer here. So what the writer is saying, that when this thing happened and how this thing happened. So actually he is saying that time it was World War II was going on, and Hitler was there, and as we all know that Hitler was a very cruel person. So what happened? He just hated Jews. So all the Jewish people were hated by Hitler, and he wanted to kill them. So now here what happened? The writer is saying that the Hitler wants to treat very badly to the Jews. So therefore what he was doing, whenever he used to see any Jewish family, he used to take them in the concentration camp. And now what is concentration camp? Concentration camp means there he used to torture them, and he used to torture them means unlimited. So it is said that whosoever and whatever family and whosoever family members were going to the concentration camp of Hitler, they were never being returned. Means all they were killed there because of unbearable pain which was given to them by Hitler's army or Hitler. So it is said by the author here. So now here what she is saying, that she used to live in Netherlands at that time, and Hitler's soldiers were attacking and taking them in the concentration camp. So all the family members were taken to concentration camp, and none of them could be returned except one person, and that was his father. And this thing happened when Anne Frank was just 15 years old, and before that she was at home only, and she used to go to school, but they were hiding themselves. They were trying to keep themselves safe from Hitler's army. And Anne Frank was writing diary at that time, and she was not having any friend because she does not like to play with anyone else. She was also having a sister who was just 16 years old at that time, means 1 year senior to her. And Anne Frank says that I used to spend most of my time with diary and some of the remaining time with my family member before I was taken to concentration camp, or my family was taken there. So now what Anne Frank is writing in the diary, whatever she was noticing and she was thinking, this diary is not having any important thing. She was writing because she was just 12-13 years old girl. So she was not having so many things to write. She was not having very good idea. But still the writer is saying whatever thing she has mentioned in the diary, the extract which we have, which we are going to read, that was looking as like a mature person. Means she has written, or she has mentioned the things in the diary as it is written by a complete man or woman. So here what she is writing, that we shall read further. Now we are reading only the introduction of the lesson. So here what she is saying about the diary, whatever we are writing in the diary, that keeps always secret. And why these things are kept secret? Because that time was very bad for Jews, and Anne Frank was also Jew family. So that time was very bad and very crucial for them. Why? Because they were not able to exchange their views very clearly with others. They cannot say anything wrong for Hitler and the army. Someone can complain, someone can go against them. Therefore, they used to keep themselves hidden only and secret. And Anne Frank is saying that the paper has more patience than people. Means whatever thing we want to write in a paper, means diary she was writing. And she is saying that whatever we want to write, the paper will never reveal our secret. It will always be keeping it safe. It will never be opening it, revealing it. In that way, the thoughts we can see of Anne Frank. And what Anne Frank is saying that people, if we just speak anything to people, they will reveal the secret, and paper cannot do that. The diary will always keep it safe. So therefore, she used to spend most of her time with her diary. She used to write each and everything, whatever she was feeling in her life. And in this way, the life was going on and the World War was going on. And the people of that country was too much afraid of Hitler, especially the Jews one, because Jews were hated by Hitler. So now the life was going on in the same way. And before 1 year of that, her grandmother passes away. Or she passed away, we can say. So when her grandmother passed away, she was very sad because she has a different attachment with grandmother. So she was feeling very sad. Now when she celebrated her next birthday, which was 14, that time she put another candle on the cake that was for the memory of her grandmother. So now in this way she was missing her grandmother also. And this is the introduction. She was taken there and now she could never return, only her father returned. And when her father returned and when he got the diary, so he just he read the diary, and after that the diary printed and it turned into a book. And only one part of that book we are going to read in the lesson. So this is all about Anne Frank diary introduction. And now if we go ahead in the lesson, so we will see so many different things here. So now what we are going to see here, she is saying that actual lesson is starting now. And what she is saying, when she went to school, it was end of the session. So when she went to the school in the end of the session, that time there was too much hustle bustle in the school. Means everybody was talking, someone looking very nervous, someone looking very happy. Actually that was a result today. So the teachers are going to reveal the results, or they were going to say the marks. So, and all were too much afraid, someone looking much afraid, because everyone was thinking that maybe I will be promoted in the next class or not. Here in this lesson, form word is given for results. So, that students were much afraid, because according to Anne Frank, she is saying that the teachers are the most unpredictable people. Means what they are going to do, what they are going to say, we never know. About the teachers, Anne Frank is saying so. And now Anne Frank is too much afraid. She is also afraid because she knows about herself that I am very weak, or I am not good in math. So she was also afraid that I may not be promoted in the next class because my math is very poor. And now Mr. Seizing, her math teacher, and she is saying that I used to speak a lot in my class. So maybe my teacher is not happy with me. So now what happened? Mr. Seizing, whenever he is coming, whenever he comes to school or class, he finds that Anne Frank is always talking in the class. So he does not like it. He does no teacher likes that students are talking in the class. So what he thought that I should punish this girl, but in what way? So he thought that I should punish her in the different way. And what method I have to, this is the diary which is written by Anne Frank. Anne Frank is writing that in this way the teacher has punished me. And the teacher thought that I should punish Anne Frank, and in what way? I will tell her to write an essay. So on the he has given a topic to her chatterbox. So we all know what is the meaning of chatterbox. The most talkative person, or one who speaks continuously. So chatterbox title was given to Anne Frank. Now in the beginning she thought that in what way I should write and what things I should write, because she was not getting any word that what should I write in this essay. So she was thinking continuously, but somehow she is thinking as like other students. We can also see in our class or school also that some students, those who are not good in writing, what they do, they just used to write the words with a gap, so that the essay will look very big. So in the beginning she thought that what should I write, and then she thought in what way I will write, and she wrote the essay, and around 3 pages she filled by keeping the gap, and that was written, and that was very impressive and like comedy type. So when she has taken that essay to a teacher, the teacher read and he found very happy, and after that for 2-3 days the girl was silent in the class, but again according to her habit she started talking. So Mr. Keating again noticed and said that you are talking again, so next time he gave another topic, that now again you will write one more essay, and he said that this topic also will be written on same point, but here he added one more word, that was another word, another meaning, and it was for example we can say that same he kept, but he said we will give another topic which was related to speaking, more speaking like chatterbox. So he said that you again write one more topic on incorrigible. What word he has used? Incorrigible word, and he gave that an incorrigible chatterbox as a topic to write on the particular thing. So she was given another topic, an incorrigible chatterbox. Incorrigible means the person after saying also one who doesn't want to improve or do not want to change himself or herself. So she was given again the same topic and she started writing. She wrote in a very way or funny way or very fantastic way. That teacher was also very happy to see that. And Anne Frank again stopped writing for 3-4 days. But now again she started talking, because she said that I cannot stop talking because this thing is coming from my family. It is inherited. Means my mother cannot stop talking, so how can I? So she is saying that it is inherited and I cannot stop this thing. I will be also speaking because my family members, my mother is also speaking. So after a few days again he was given the topic, and this time the topic was given quack 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 chatterbox. So quack quack, generally we know the sound of duckling or ducks we can say. So duckling and ducks, the duck family makes this sound. So here now what is given that here what does it show that this girl speaks too much like duck. So therefore he thought that she should be given another punishment. So now this girl thought that again and again Mr. Seething is giving me this topic to write or essay to write. So I will write this time essay in poetic way or in the form of poem, because she was having one friend and his name was Sam. And Anna was the friend of Anne Frank, and Anne Frank took the help of Sam for what? For writing an essay on quack 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 chatterbox in the form of poetry. So now when she went there, so he gave some idea to Anne Frank, and Anne Frank wrote an essay. And this time she wrote an essay that there was a family of duck. In that family, duck and duck mother, father and ducklings were there. So what father duck did, he killed all the duckling. And why did he kill? Because all the ducklings were making too much quack sound. So actually why she wanted to write and why she wrote this thing, because she wanted to point out herself and Mr. Seething. So in the form of duck father, she pointed out Mr. Seething and duckling to herself, and she wanted to show that father killed all the duckling. Means teacher is by stopping them talking, he is giving us punishment, and this is kind of a murder, or he is killing. Means he is not allowing us to talk. In this way she wanted to show in the form of poetry. When she has written the poetry and handed over to the teacher read out that story, that essay and in the form of poem, and he understood everything. He did not take it seriously that she is considering me as a duck father, and means he also understood by reading that. And but he did not say anything. He was very just common person, and he just laughed. He took it in the funny way, and he laughed at the writing over. He was means too much impressed by the girl that she has got too much witty and wit to write the thing, and he was very happy to see that the girl is writing this kind of essay, because he was also liking the writing part of the girl. Therefore, he used to give the different types of essay to write her. And after that, when he read out that poetry type essay, he did not stop the girl talking. After that, she kept talking in the class, but she was never interrupted by the teacher, because he understood that this girl is very intelligent and she knows how to express the views. So in this way, this part, this thing that the teacher and the student, whatever happened, this part was written, also written in the diary. It is given in the form of a lesson to us, and that was also written in the diary, and that extract is taken from the lesson. And in this from this lesson, so many questions can be asked about Nazism and Hitler, apart from the teacher, whatever topic he has given to write her. This question can be asked. These are the important things of the particular lesson. I hope this lesson is very easy and very interesting, and it is only just an extract part of Anne Frank diary, and this is very funny sometimes, and it is very serious also. So both things it is showing, and I hope it is very clear to all of you. Thank you very much and have a good day.